Yeah. Warm welcome to everyone. Good afternoon to everyone. A special mention to the participants joined and welcome today's for the webinar on how to create a content using AI. Myself Darshini from OneNGO and I will be the host for the session. Before we begin, I like to thank our speaker Jeshu for sharing their expertise with us today. Secondly, I add some overview of today's session. Create a content using AI tools by inputting your topic or promote and customize the settings. Um, like we will also have a poll session at the end of the webinar, so please attend. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. So, Jishu, can we start now?
Can you give me 1 minute?
Yeah, okay, Jishu.
ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದ್ರಿ?
Hello, everyone. Hi, Darshini. Thank you so much for joining. And also thanks to everyone who has joined. So I will be speaking in English and Hindi. Okay, so Darshini can speak in Tamil. And and we also have Deepa from my organization. She can speak in Kannada. So these are the four languages that we can speak. Okay. And this is how we can help you in understanding. Everybody is okay with it? If yes, please type Y on the chat box. If it's fine, then please type Y on the chat box. Yes. Okay. Good. Great. Okay. Thank you so much. So, how do we start today? So today, what Darshini said is artificial intelligence. How many of you have heard about the word artificial intelligence? A person from Samantha NGO, Darshini will try to help you in Telugu, sir. Okay.
A little bit, I know I can help.
Yeah, a little bit. Okay. So, how many of you have heard of the word artificial intelligence? If you heard, please write Y on the chat box. Okay. So, okay. Tara Shankar Maiti says yes. Anybody else has heard about the word artificial intelligence? Ashanto Daya says yes. Okay. George sir, have you heard? Sohel says yes. Okay. Okay. Good. So today we will learn about how to create content, how to write about your organization using artificial intelligence. Okay. This meeting is recorded already. I think, isn't it, Darshini? If he wants to allow it, okay, I'm allowing it to you to do it locally. Okay. So, firstly, using artificial intelligence for creating content in the sense about your organization, आपके organization के बारे में, ठीक है, लिखने के लिए आपको मतलब टाइम चाहिए, फिर शब्द चाहिए, you require words to write. Also, you require the knowledge of language, grammar, etc. to create content, to write about your organization. Okay. So with the help of artificial intelligence, it can be done within 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, you can do it. ओके नाउ मैं आपको 3 तरीके बताऊंगी या 3 टूल्स बताऊंगी जहां से आप यूज करके आप कंटेंट या आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो मैं अपना स्क्रीन शेयर कर रही हूं. ओके, द फर्स्ट थिंग इज दिस वन. लेट मी साइन आउट. Yes, I'm sharing my screen. Yes. Okay. The first is चैट जीपीटी. चैट जीपीटी के बारे में कितने लोगों ने सुना है? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव हर्ड दिस चैट जीपीटी, द वन विच आई एम टाइपिंग? चैट, दिस वन, चैट जीपीटी. Sohel says yes. Antonia says yes. Okay. Now I will use chat GPT to create content. मतलब मैं आप अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में लिखूंगी. ठीक है, कैसे? पहले मैं गूगल में जाऊंगी, गूगल में जाके लिखूंगी चैट जीपीटी, फिर मैं इसको लॉग इन करूंगी. ठीक है, सो कैसे चैट जीपीटी का एक्चुअल ये क्या है, यूआरएल ये है chatgpt.com, ये है. ठीक है, मैं वहां पे क्लिक करूंगी. क्लिक करने के बाद मुझे ये यहाँ पे आएगा लॉगिन, तो मैं ये लॉगिन बटन क्लिक करूंगी. होने के बाद यहाँ पे मुझे वो पूछेगा कि आप कैसे लॉगिन करना चाहोगे, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. मैं गूगल यूज इस्तेमाल करके आई विल यूज गूगल माई जीमेल अकाउंट एंड आई विल लॉग इन. आई हैव ऑलरेडी लॉग्ड इन. मैंने ऑलरेडी लॉग इन कर चुकी हूँ, इसलिए मुझे पासवर्ड वगैरह नहीं पूछा, लेकिन आपको वो लोग शायद पूछ सकते हैं. The first time when you log in with your Gmail account, they might ask you your Gmail password. So please give Gmail password, please share कीजिए और इस मतलब लॉग इन कीजिए. ठीक है, जैसे ही आप लॉग इन करेंगे ऐसा एक पेज आपके सामने खुल जाएगी. ओके, यहाँ पे लिखा रहेगा चैट जीपीटी, यहाँ पे आपका नाम, योर नेम, और यहाँ पे ये सब है जीपीटी एक्सेट्रा सब लिखा रहेगा. ठीक है, तो ये सब में प्लीज मत जाइए. डोंट गो इनटू ऑल दीज थिंग्स, दीज आर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. सो वी विल फोकस ऑन दिस वन, जहाँ पे मेरा कर्सर, द कर्सर वेर यू कैन सी, वी विल फोकस ऑन दिस वन. ओके, सो ओवर हियर इट इज रिटन व्हाट कैन आई हेल्प यू विथ. ओके, नाउ हियर इज द ट्रिक. यहाँ पे सबसे बड़ा ट्रिक है. ओके, जब मैं बोल रही हूँ चैट, ठीक है, तो उसका क्या मतलब होता है? जब आप किसी के साथ चैट कर रहे हैं, when you are chatting with somebody, how do you do it? कोई अनम्यूट करके बता सकता है, हाउ डू यू चैट विथ अ पर्सन? दर्शिनी, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन इट इन तमिल?
Yeah, just sure. Does anyone need Tamil explanation?
Darshini, I think, yeah, one person needed that. She has typed in the chat window.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Tamil.
Yeah.
Content must.
நீங்க எப்படி தமிழ்ல வந்து சேட் பண்ணுவீங்க? லைக் ஒரு ஃப்ரெண்டு கிட்ட நீங்க எப்படி வந்து தமிழ்ல சேட் பண்ணுவீங்களோ, தட்ஸ் வாட். நான் அப்படி வந்து சேட் பண்ணா போதும். இதுல ஐ மீன் ஹேல சாட் ஜிபிடி நீங்க எப்படி லாகின் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சொன்னா, நீங்க வந்து நார்மலா வந்து சாட் ஜிபிடின்னு அப்படின்னு கூகுள்ல டைப் பண்ணா உங்களுக்கு வந்து chatgpt.com அப்படின்ற ஒரு வெப்சைட் வந்து ஓப்பன் ஆகும். ஸோ யூ கிளிக் ஆன் தட். அப்புறம் வந்து இந்த பேஜ் ஓப்பன் ஆகும். நீங்கள் ஃபஸ்ட்டு டைம் வந்து ஓப்பன் பண்ணுறப்போ உங்களோட இமெயில் ஐடி ப்ளஸ் வந்து உங்களோட இமெயிலோட பாஸ்வேர்ட் கேட்கும். அண்ட் அதை நீங்கள் வந்து லாகின் பண்ணி உள்ளே போனீங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சொன்னால் திஸ் பேஜ் வில் ஓப்பன் அண்ட் வந்து நீங்கள் உங்களுக்கு என்ன தேவையோ அது வந்து நீங்கள் வந்து எப்படி நீங்கள் வந்து நார்மலாக சேட் பண்ணுவீங்க. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி இது ஐ மீன் ChatGPT வந்து நம்ம வந்து டைப் பண்ணி சென்ட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சொன்னால் they will give some inputs. So that is what she told. Yeah, Jashu.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, madam. Thank you, madam.
Yeah, Jashu.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much, Darshini. Okay. So the thing is that when you chat with somebody, then you do it like this. So suppose I am asking Darshini, okay, Darshini, answer to my question.
Yeah.
Say, hey, hi, Darshini.
Hi, how are you, Jashu?
I am good. Can you tell me about the weather in Trichy? What is the weather in Trichy?
Yeah, it's 29 degrees Celsius.
Okay, it is 39. Okay.
29.
Okay. Can you tell me about Trichy's how it is throughout the year?
It is only warm only, not very cold. Like that.
Okay. So this is how we chat. हम लोग ऐसे बात करते हैं ना कि हम लोग एक क्वेश्चन करते हैं और कोई जवाब देता है, तो ऐसे ही हम लोग बात करते हैं. This is how we talk. The same thing you have to apply for ChatGPT. Okay. Suppose I am writing hi. So it says, hello, how are you doing today? Fine. Now I will write, okay. Now I will write one thing. Can you please share a paragraph about women empowerment in India. So please see my specification, okay? I have written women empowerment, what I want, a paragraph, and where women empowerment in India. And then I click this button. Then I click this button, the arrow one. I clicked here. Okay, now, okay. You are giving feedback to a new version of ChatGPT. Okay, just a moment. Just give me a minute. Women empowerment in India is a crucial step towards building a more inclusive and equitable society that enforces access education. And this in Indian system and peers initiative. Between them, like also means women need to transform like sex and dismantles and then women can be this was even to the millions of this technical professional education. Society also means. Okay, yeah, I'm sharing my screen. So yes, so when when I gave this question, can you please share a paragraph about women empowerment in India? Then this is what ChatGPT gives. Women empowerment in India is a transformative journey that seeks to dismantle centuries-old barriers, create society where women can thrive and as equal contributors. Okay, they have also given about initiatives like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, self-help groups. Okay, then women-led entrepreneurship, increasing representation in leadership roles, etc. And then true empowerment, however, lies in changing. So the last paragraph also says what needs to be done. Okay. So this is you can actually create a content on women empowerment in India, say within how much time it took? I think 2 minutes. It took 2 minutes to create a content about women empowerment in India. Okay, so this is one very important tool, essential for NGOs in India to use this artificial things. Okay, this artificial intelligence tool to create content for your organization. Okay, now this is, then you can also write. So more on this. saying that I am taking the example of Trichy. Okay. Now I am writing, can you give me specific data on the same from district Tamil Nadu, India. Let's see. Okay, let me correct this spelling. Yeah. So they are searching the web. Okay. Now it says yes. See, they have also given the source from where they have got it. Okay. So this is a new one. ChatGPT has started. So it says Tamil Nadu has made significant strides in women empowerment with notable achievements in various districts. Employment, it has given political representation and all. Chennai has done this. See, it has not specifically told about. Acha, I have not given the word Trichy. Okay, I have not given the word Trichy. I have only given Tamil Nadu. So it is giving the data of Tamil Nadu. Okay. Now, if I edit this one with this one, district Trichy, then let's see. It's searching the web. Let's see if it can come up with anything or not. Okay, it has come. Okay, it says Trichy has been recognized as a top city top city of women in India among tier 2 cities. Okay, with population under 1 million, etc. It is from Hindu. Then it says city of inclusion. Trichy achieved a score of 71.61, reflecting its commitment to women's safety, representation, and women empowerment initiatives. See where they have taken, they have given you that source. This is also a source. These are also other sources. So these two paragraphs, with these two paragraphs, you can easily create a profile or a one pager for your organization. Say within, I started this 348, now it's 350. Within 3 minutes, 351. Within 3 minutes, I actually developed this particular thing. Okay. So this is what ChatGPT or language artificial intelligence can help you, provided you know how to give the prompt or how to write. Okay, any question, anything to ask, any translation needs to be done? Did everybody understand? If yes, please write Y. And if no, please write N on the chat box. Sohel says yes. Okay, cool. Okay, सोहेल जी, आपका संस्था किस विषय के ऊपर काम करती है?
मैम, हमारा संस्था चाइल्ड अडॉप्शन के ऊपर काम करती है।
चाइल्ड
जो
अडॉप्शन। ओके
ये
जी
बच्चे होते हैं, जो
तो
अनवांटेड बच्चे होते हैं या
जी
मिसिंग।
जी
ओके मैम।
जी 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 अबांडन बच्चे है ना?
यस मैम, यस।
जी। तो देखते हैं इसके ऊपर चाइल्ड चैट जीपीटी कुछ दे सकता है कि नहीं। ओके, हाय, मैं लिख रही हूँ। So, can you provide me about child abandon children in, आप झारखंड से हैं, है ना सोहेल जी?
यस मैम, जामतारा
जामतारा,
डिस्ट्रिक्ट।
झारखंड. Can you provide me about abandoned children in Jharkhand, India? देखिए सोहेल जी, ये कुछ आया है और कहाँ कहाँ से उन्होंने लिया है वो दे दिया है. ये लिखा है, abandoned children in Jharkhand face significant challenges with various factors contributing to their plight between 16 and this. They have given a full paragraph. Okay, to address this needs of these vulnerable children, Jharkhand State Protection Society works to identify and support children in need of care and protection.
Yeah.
ओके, तो मुझे उसने मतलब 1 मिनट के ऊपर ये एक पूरा पैराग्राफ दे दिया. थोड़ा
Okay.
देखिए, ये आपके अगर आप ब्रोशर तैयार करना चाहते हैं या तो फिर एक रिपोर्ट लिखना चाहते हैं, ये यूजफुल होगा क्या?
ऑफ कोर्स मैम, ऑफ कोर्स होगा.
ओके, तो ये आप लेके अगर आप एक वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट में अगर आप कॉपी कर रहे हैं, सपोज आप एक वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट में ये आपने अभी थोड़ा डिफरेंट कर.
బస్సు ఏం జ్ఞానం లేదు అమ్మలే సుమ్మా
ये वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट मैंने कॉपी किया. ओके, और यहाँ से मैं लेके एक्चुअली यहाँ से मैं लेके मैं इसको एडिट भी कर सकती हूँ. ठीक है, आई कैन ऑल्सो एडिट इट ओवर हियर. देखिए, आई कैन एडिट इट ओवर हियर. यहाँ पे 3000 फैमिली लिखा है, मैं लिख सकती हूँ 3500 एज पर द राइट डेटा. ओके, राइट डेटा अनुसार मुझे ये लिखना है.
Okay,
तो ये चैट जीपीटी सोहेल जी आप यूज करते हैं आपके डेली रिक्वायरमेंट में?
यस मैम, करता हूँ.
ओके, वेरी गुड. तो किस किस चीज के लिए आप करते हैं चैट जीपीटी का इस्तेमाल?
एक्चुअली मैं एप्लीकेशन पे फॉरवर्ड करना होता है,
एप्लीकेशन प्रपोजल लिखना.
किसी पॉइंट पे अगर नॉलेज लेना हो
राइट.
तो टाइप करके लेता हूँ.
Okay, very good. So what Sahil ji is saying is that he uses Chat GPT for applying for funds application to gather knowledge and also to write emails. Email लिखने के लिए use करते हैं आप सोहेल जी?
यस मैम, हाँ.
Okay, very good. Okay, so this is one artificial intelligence the tool that I have used. और एक है जो अगर कोई आप लोग ये यूज कर रहे हैं, लैपटॉप यूज कर रहे हैं, तो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट हैव कम विद समथिंग कॉल्ड Copilot. ओके, आई एम ओपनिंग दिस वन एंड आई.
यस.
ओके, आप यहाँ पे साइन कर भी सकते हैं, नहीं भी कर सकते. अगर आपके पास मतलब लैपटॉप है, विंडोज का लैपटॉप है, देन दिस Copilot विल बी ऑटोमेटिकली देयर. सो यहाँ पे जो दिखाई दे रहा है Copilot का आइकॉन, वो ऑटोमेटिकली दिखाई देगा. ठीक है,
या.
तो एज ई से हे हाउ कैन आई हेल्प यू, आई से हाई, कैन यू please help me with some data based on population in India in 2024. So what does it say? Sure, here are some data on India's population in 2024. Total population approximately so much. Growth rate this. Urban population, median age, life expectancy, etc. Everything has been there. Okay, they have also given from where you can actually use this.
Oh.
Okay. So Copilot is one more. So similar, you have to know how to give the prompt or how to ask. So you have to be very specific. Like over here, I have asked about population, which year 2024 and where in India. Okay, so that has to be very specific for you to give the right result. So this is how it has to be very specific. What you want, database on what, population and India. Okay. This is the second tool, Copilot. The third one which I wanted to show you is Gemini. Okay, so just hold on. Okay, I open my Google account. This is my personal Google account. I open it. Okay, and where I can find Gemini? Here. So ये जो dots दिया हुआ है, I click on it. I scroll down and yes, Gemini. I click on Gemini and it opens with my account. Okay. Same here, same thing. It says, hello, Jashoshri. Now I will ask, hi. Can you please provide me with some data on digitalization among Indian NGOs in the year 2024. अच्छा, digitalization का spelling गलत है, इसको मैं ठीक कर देती हूँ. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now what it says, unfortunately, specific comprehensive data on digitization of Indian NGOs might be limited in publicly available resources. But however, it has given some general information. Okay. Increasing adoption, key areas, fundraising, operation, program delivery, impact measurement, tracking and analyzing program, potential database, NGO reports, NGO papers, NGO networks, challenges, digital divide, data privacy, security, resource constraint. To find more specific data, I recommend, it is saying what? Refining your search. See, it is saying to find more data. I recommend, it is saying, be more specific in search, be more specific. It says search term, example, digital transformation, Indian NGOs, NGOs using technology. These are the words that you can use, okay, to make the search more specific. Therefore, your search has to be very specific. Your search terms has to be very specific. एकदम specific होना चाहिए. आपको जो चाहिए वही लिखना है. चलिए देखते हैं ये होता है कि नहीं. Digital transformation. Can you give me some data on digital transformation among Indian NGOs? Yes, it gives some data. Okay, what it says: increasing adoption, key fundraising operation, potential database, then challenges, data privacy, security, what is happening in data privacy. It also says be more specific, using NGOs using technology, etc. Okay, and from where it has taken from all these sources. So these are the ways you can create content within 2 to 3 minutes if you know how to search. You must know what terms, search terms I must give. So I would request Darshini to please explain very brief the last portion in Tamil.
Okay, Jisho. Like this one, Gemini, right?
Gemini, the one specific terms that I said, like how to no be specific. The search terms have to be very specific if you want to get the right data.
Yeah. Yeah. Like Gemini வந்து இதுவும் ஒரு AI app தான். Like Geminiங்கிறது they have many AI apps like ChatGPT and Gemini and before that Jeshu said like Colibit, right, is in the Windows. அது வந்து விண்டோஸ்ல இருக்குது. இது வந்து ஜெமினைல இருக்குது. இது கோலிபிட் வந்து நீங்க வந்து விண்டோஸ்ல இருக்கவங்க, ஐ மீன் லேப்டாப்ல யூஸ் பண்றவங்க வந்து இதுல யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். லைக் இதுல வந்து நீங்க வந்து நார்மலா வந்து நீங்க சேட் பண்ணாலே வந்து உங்களுக்கு வந்து தெரியும் வாட் என்ன நீங்க வந்து நீங்க நார்மலா கேன் யூ ப்ளீஸ் ஹெல்ப் மீ வித் சம் டேட்டா ஃபார் த பாப்புலேஷன். இது வந்து நார்மலா நம்ம சர்ச் பண்ணுவோம். லைக் நீங்க இது வந்து எனக்கு சொல்றீங்களா அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நம்ம வந்து சர்ச் பண்ற மாதிரி இல்லை சர்ச் பண்றோம். ஸோ வந்து இது வந்து நம்மளுக்கு வந்து நார்மலான இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் வந்து இது வந்து தரும், அவ்வளவுதான். அண்ட் கேன் யூ கோ ஃபார் தட் ஜெமினி, ரைட் ஜிஷு? ஜிஷு, யா. இது எப்படின்னா ஜெமினி எப்படின்னா இது வந்து ஒரு ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்கான இது மட்டும்தான். லைக் சாட், யா, இட்ஸ் Sohail, it's like the ChatGPT only, Sohail. நம்ம ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்கான டேட்டா இதில் வந்து ChatGPTலையும் எப்படின்னா நம்ம வந்து லைக் நம்ம கரெக்டான வேர்ட்ஸ் வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணால் மட்டும்தான் வந்து அது வந்து பஃபர் ஆகும். நம்ம ஒரு இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் வந்து நம்ம வேணும் அப்படின்னு நினைப்போம். என்ன இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் வேணுமோ அதுக்கான வந்து கீவேர்ட்ஸ் வந்து கொடுத்தா மட்டுமே வந்து இதுக்கு வந்து கரெக்டான ரிஃபைன் கிடைக்கும். இதுல வந்து ஒரு அட்வான்ஸ்ட் என்ன அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொன்னா ஜெமினில இன்னும் ஒன்று இருக்கு. என்னன்னா, we can change the language also with the Google account. நம்ம வந்து தமிழ்ல வந்து நம்ம சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கிட்டா, or else we can change the language also, Jesho, in Gemini.
Yes.
It has that once.
Yeah. Yeah, so all that Sohailji, all the artificial intelligence tool has this option of upgrade. You pay and you get the more advanced version. The one which I have shown is all free version. Yes, more or less all the three tools that I have just shown, ChatGPT, Gemini and Copilot, they are more or less same. Okay. So it depends upon, it depends upon what you are more comfortable with. I personally like ChatGPT because I got used to it, but I also use Gemini on phone. Okay, so these are the things. You can also see that it says 2.0 flash experimental, something like that. It's everyday help. If you pay more, you will have advanced. So these are the thing. But yes, the artificial intelligence technology is highly developed, and please use it for your NGO work. It will save your time. It will also save manpower cost.
Of course.
Yes, yeah. Darshini, so I am done from my side. You can take
Jesho,
over.
can you please add some Meta AI to this?
Huh?
In
Sorry?
WhatsApp?
Yeah, some tutorials, right? Yeah, we can. But that would be like some external tutorials.
Okay. But we have another AI, right? Meta AI in WhatsApp.
Meta AI one, right? I have not experienced that, but it's in WhatsApp. Yeah. Okay. Got it. What you said. Okay. Got it. Yes, this is also WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp laptop version, or the desktop version. Here is Meta AI. So here you can see this is the icon and it says Meta AI. So let's see how it says. Hi, can you help me in writing an email requesting my boss for a 15-day leave. Let's see it comes or not. Okay. So yes, it has come. Hi, can you help me? It says here is a sample email template, 15 request 15-day leave, name. I'm writing to request a 15-day leave from start date, end date. I have a personal commitment. I reviewed all my team's workload and have arranged to ensure that the tasks are completed, etc. Considering my request, this. Feel free to. This is a sample email for requesting a 15-day leave. It just took me, I sent at 4/8 and it sent me at 4/8 only. It didn't take me time to write an email. It just didn't take me any time. कोई time ही नहीं लगा. So please use it in your daily life for creating content for your NGOs, because annual report, because here where NGOs are lagging, not able to create enough content for their work. Okay. First of all, time is a constraint, human resource is a constraint. So that all will get resolved. If you can give the right search, right terms, then you will actually get the content ready in no time. What it says, how to access Gemini from Google Mail. Just a moment, Deepa. So I go here. I go to my Gmail account. This is my Gmail account. Okay. And you're able to see my screen. Here is my picture with the icon, right?
Yeah, this.
So
Yeah.
here are these dots where when you hover your cursor, it says Google Apps. So I go over here, I click on here, I scroll down, and here I see Gemini.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So on Android, it is available on the this button. If you click the shutdown button, so if that is pressed for some time, the app will open.
Okay.
But I
Okay.
don't know how does it work with iOS.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
does iOS allow Google app or not? That also I don't know, but I'm sure you will get some app on iOS as well.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll check it out, Jashu.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah. Okay, over to you, Darshini.
Yeah. Thank you, Joshua, for the session is so good. Thank you thank you all for your active participation and engagement throughout the webinar, all the participants. I hope found this session very informative and helpful in understanding how to create our content using the different AIs like Gemini and Colibet and ChatGPT, Meta, like that. So special thanks to Jesho for sharing your valuable instance.
Thank
So
you.
yeah, we have a poll session today. I launch now. Kindly answer all the poll right now. Okay. 1 second.
Please answer. There will be a question which will come up right now. Please
Yeah.
keep your eye. Darshini is going to ask you. Please use that.
I just launch. Yeah, please.
Yeah, it is. Yes, it will come on your screen. It says how to create content using AI tools. The question is, what type of content can be created using AI tools? So only text, images, and more. Then you have to give the right answer. Which is the right answer? Why use AI tools for content creation? Okay. Only save time and increase creativity. Okay. What about the first question? Nobody is answering. Yes, one person has answered. What type of content can be created? Can you create only text, that is writing? Can you create video and all? Somebody has written yes. Yes, videos and all also can be created, definitely. But that also with the help, like you have to upgrade. You have to purchase higher version. But I want to see more people participating. Yes, 7 people participated. Some more, please. 8. One more person, then it will be more than 50%. Please, everybody participate. That will be great. One more person can participate. Deepa, have you participated? Thank you so much, Sohelji.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much for your feedback. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, can I end this poll?
Yes, you can. I think 47% they shared, but you can also share the poll, share the poll results.
Okay.
Yeah, 52% has applied. Yeah.
Yeah. I end now, Jishu.
Yeah. Okay. Please end it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can, they say share result. You can click on share results. Yeah. So, 6 out of 3 people has said only text, image, videos, and more. Yes, you can create. And then, can you save time? And 5 people has said save time and increase creativity. Nice. Thank you so much for your answers. Thanks so much, Dhanashri. Thank you so much. Sorry, Darshini,
Yeah.
for the same.
Yeah.
It was really nice for you to share this particular poll.
Okay, Jishu. Like, if anyone needs any question, please ask. If you want in any languages like Kannada, Tamil, or else Hindi. If anyone need any questions. So that's it. I think so. That's it, Jishu. That's all for today. Thank you once again, and we look forward to having you join us for another good webinar.
Thank you so much. Yeah,
Thank you, Jishu.
thank you. Bye.
You may leave all.
Thank you. Yeah, I am ending the meeting, Darshini.
Okay, Jishu.
Okay. Yeah. Bye.